don't love Halloween, but I'll tell you what I do love. I do love Hocus Pocus, and I love that they're bringing back the movie with the original characters. So today we're doing an inspired Sarah Sanderson makeup look. If you see my braids under this wig, no you don't. Let me look at a photo for reference. Face is pretty clean, not too sculpted, but very matte. So I'm going to start with this primer. This is a primer I always use when I'm trying to go for a matte look. Then I'm going to use my foundation shade in 332, and I'm going to use this very lightly. Next, I'm going to conceal, but I want it to be very natural. So I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Matchstick and Honey, and I'm going to put it right down the nose, on the sides, and then up to the middle of the eye. Then I'm going to blend that in. The base is very natural. Moving on to something that's not so natural, the eyebrows. These eyebrows are pretty much the statement of the whole face, so I want to do these the right way. First, I'm going to use this brow pencil to make some sharp lines, and then I think I'm going to go in later and fill it in with powder. Next, I'm going to use this Tarte palette, that's Energy Noir, fill in. Then I'm going to take some gel and brush that over the hairs. I feel like it gives your brows a darker look because they look almost wet, and it also makes the hairs a little bit more defined. Now I'm going to take some leftover concealer that I have on this brush and clean up underneath. I think I am going to contour my nose. Just want it to look a bit more like hers. And I just used the Fenty Matchstick in Espresso. My nose looks a little bit more long. I feel like her nose is very long. I'm gonna use this Tarte palette again, and I'm gonna use the blush, and I'm gonna put it on the upper parts of my cheek, very close to underneath my eye. And I don't think I'm gonna blend it in either, because like you can see it. Her lips are kind of berry-like, so I'm going to use this Revlon lipstick in Black Cherry. I want to start from the inside, working my way out, because the ends of her lips are a little bit faded. It's like a very natural, I just put lipstick on, pressed my lips together, and got on my broomstick. I'm going to take some liner and do her mole. It's pretty big. Now for the eyes, we're going back to the Tarte palette again. This is coming in handy. I need a grayish tone, so I'm going to use this one right here. Her shadow kind of connects between her eyelid and the inner corner of her eyebrow, so I'm going to take the shadow up and meet my eyebrow there. Next, I'm going to take the black shadow in this palette and use that to outline the eye. Now, this is not perfect, but the look is very messy, so I don't think it has to be. Next, I'm gonna take a pencil eyeliner and go over this line a little bit more. I'm also gonna use this pencil to line my waterline. Now I'm going to blend out the outer under corner of the eye. And now I'm gonna do the same thing with the top part of my eye, but just the outer corner. Now I'm gonna put a lot of mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm only gonna do a little bit on the top ones because I'm gonna put lashes on anyway. I just want them to blend nicely. So I'm gonna put these on because these are like the spikiest ones that I have. I don't even know what they're called. They just came with this wig. I'm gonna go put these lashes on, fix up my hair, and give you guys the final result. Don't forget to run amok this Halloween, and thank you guys for hanging out.